We are so excited we got to collaborate with Michaels and Craftsmith to bring you this amazing set of products at Michaels. Each of us started our own business and have grown so much over the years with your support and encouragement. We are proud to be part of such an amazing planner community. We are beyond thrilled to share some of our products, tips, and ideas. Hey there, my name is Tasia, and I'm the owner of Sweet Kawaii Design. I grew up in Hilo, Hawaii, where my kawaii obsession began. My husband and I took a leap of faith on our own business in 2014, and now we do this full time. I would like to share with you a few of my favorite products from my line that you can find at a Michaels store near you. My kawaii-themed washi tape, stickers, dashboard list pad, and notebook are a great way to keep you organized, track your life, and most importantly, have fun. I hope these kawaii planner goodies help you celebrate the little things in life. You can customize and create a beautiful tracker like this using these products and more.
Hi, my name is Cynthia and I'm the owner of Long Time in a Million. I grew up eating dim sum at the restaurant in New York City that my dad has managed for over 30 years. Spending time there is what inspires the products that I make today. It is my hope that the Dim Sum Steam Team touches your heart, which is a literal translation of dim sum. With these dim sum themed stickers, washi tape, and other embellishments, you can make the cutest weekly planner spreads. Making a weekly spread is so much fun, and I truly hope my collection touches your heart.
Hello, we are Debbie and Chelsea, and we are the owners of Shine Sticker Studio. We are a mother-daughter team who both enjoy sharing our creativity with the planner community.
We'd like to show you a few of our products and fun ways to use them.
There are so many ways to embellish your planner. You can really make your planner shine using these stickers, pockets, and sticky notes. Our main character, Luna, was hand-drawn to add a personal touch. Find all of these supplies and more at Michaels in-store and online.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.